Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. I'm taking a little break from laundry and house cleaning and all the things that life makes you do. And I'll come in here and this will rejuvenate me and then I'll get right back to it. So we're doing a pretty little canvas today. That I have a pretty little floating frame to put it in. So I'm going to paint in some of my favorite colors, and I know there are a lot of your favorite colors as well. This is a 9 by 12 inch edge canvas, which I absolutely love. We're playing with some of my favorite paints. We're going to be doing a vertical and a horizontal swipe, or maybe we'll just swipe all over the place. That's what's kind of interesting and fun about this technique. You can kind of just do what you want as you're feeling it. Change it up. If you don't like it, you swipe over it and you try again. So let's talk about our yummy colors. And this cup right here is our base coat color, and that is the ever faithful Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics. Good price, self-leveling, almost always available. And I also have it in this little cup right here. This is yummy goodness right here, one of my new favorites. Thank you, Floetrol Co. TLP, this little Piggy. This is liquid copper, guys, and it warms my heart. That is this little Piggy, and that is one of their new colors, the Zeus. Shelly, you did good with this fella. He's very, very handsome. Right here, Golden Fluids in the burnt sienna, a fluid paint. It took absolutely no water. The TLP, let's take a look at that consistency. Actually, I'll do it with a lighter color, guys. Let's go back to the TLP, the pigment right here, guys. Let me tell you how I mixed it. I put a big old scoop of it in the bottom of my cup. A big old squeeze that's equivalent to the big old scoop of Josanya gloss varnish, although you could use pretty much any varnish. Some people use alcohol, some people use gel gloss. I've got that big old bottle of Josanya, it works for me. So stir that up very, very slowly, because this pigment is got very fine stuff in it, and if you do it quickly, the mica powder and stuff will fly up into your nose. It's not a bad idea to wear a mask. After I stir it into a nice paste, then I add my pouring medium. Our pouring medium today for our base coat, our little piggies, and all of our paints is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of Golden GAC 800. So we've got the Zeus, we've got the Golden Fluids in the burnt sienna. We have my fave, Golden Fluids, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. And we have a combination of DecoArt metallics in the 24 karat gold. Now this lady's bossy. You all know that, especially when you're swiping. Sometimes the cells are a bit too bulbous for me. So I added a couple of squirts of the Golden Fluids in the iridescent gold to kind of tame that lady down. Let's take a look at this consistency. It'll be easier for you to see, but it leaves a little bit of a trace until the paint disappears into the paint below. Now, all of our paints are the same consistency. Every once in a while, even this girl does a drip test. I put a little dollop of a fluid paint, a medium body paint, and this is our Artist Loft Black. I tilted because I was having my doubts about the Artist Loft. The Artist Loft Black got a little bit of water after I did my drip test, because it was a little bit heavier. You can see that it was slower for the drip to move down the paper plate. So we got our handy damp paper towels next to me, as well as my scissors to cut them into different shapes. Now, a lot of times I speed these almost always I speed these videos up because I really take my time with them, guys. When I swipe ever so slowly. I milk it because I love watching it every time I drag a paper towel over my paints. But a lot of people ask me, what am I doing when I'm dipping? Well, a lot of times I decide maybe I want a little bit more burnt sienna in this swipe, so I take my damp paper towel, I dip it just a little bit into the cup, add it to my swipe line or wherever I decide on my composition, and I drag it again to add a little bit more of the color that I choose. So, what else? I think that's it, guys. If you're watching this girl has probably got her dancing shoes on or her working shoes. I'm in Dallas, Texas, having a fun time with you guys, and I'm beyond grateful to be able to do that. Can't wait to meet you, hang out with you, and get to know each of you a little bit better, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you.